I was like, hey, let's build a race truck for the shop trucks. We just threw this together. Literally Thursday, we had the transmission out on a table building it. Tom West, I'm in Robertson County, Tennessee. We call it the service truck. So it's this is our business right here, Specialized Truck Repair. So we thought it'd be a cool idea. We got the truck really cheap, paid $1,000 for it from a buddy of mine named Tommy Mantlow, and he kind of developed the idea of LS swapping it and all that stuff. So we were all kind of into it, and I talked to one of my good friends, David, over at Boost Addicts, and I kind of explained to him what I wanted to do, and he said, this sounds nuts, but let's go ahead and do it. And the more we kept going with it, we just thought the cooler it was getting, you know? So we kept adding more stuff to it. It's built front to back, from the rear end all the way up. It's got a 370 in it with a D1 blower on it. From the high ram, the alternator, it's got Terminator X on it, the whole 9 yards. It's got a 200 shot on it right now. We're about to level it down. We actually installed that yesterday. And this was kind of a rush. We just threw this together. Literally Thursday, we had the transmission out on a table building it. Friday morning, I got ready to come to LS Fest, and our underdriver pulley was building so much pressure in the cooling system, it blew the back plate out of the water pump. And then we had some belt issues we were working on this morning, but we're ready to go, so we're going, man. It's been a long road with this thing, and it's busted and haggard, but it's awesome, dude. Our goal with this is to run an 11. It weighs 6,000 pounds, so it's extremely heavy, but it makes quite a good amount of power. You know, it's got a level 5 4L80 in it with trans brake, the whole 9 yards on it, full spool rear end, so it weighs so much, it has no problem hooking at all. On the rear end of this truck, it had drum brakes and a 411 in it, and we knew that wasn't going to work trying to do a quarter. So I had, my family owns Rawls & Son Salvage Yard, so I went down there and pulled a rear end out of an 08, and it's got disc brakes and everything on it, but we pulled all the parking brake stuff out of it and all that crap, put a spool in it, and I got the ladder bars. I had them sitting in the garage for a while. We said, man, let's put them on the truck. You know, it had a 2-piece drive shaft in it, and we knew we were going to throw that out. So Dave's drive shaft in Nashville made a custom 1-piece for it. So far, so good. We haven't thrown it out. The rear end seems really good. Transmission, now that we've rebuilt it, this is actually the 3rd transmission. So the first one we put in it, we made it like 7,000 RPMs. It failed to shift and blew the bottom end out of it. So we pulled that out, put another one in it. It wasn't working, so we pulled it out and just rebuilt it from scratch. Yeah, the vise. So, you know, like I said, when we got it, it had everything already on it. So we were like, you know, that's a lot of weight. It's even got a pintle hitch in it. But we were like, let's go full weight, man, and leave it like it is. You know, it looks cool. Hey, I will tell you one cool fact. So we went so fast in it that the gauge wrapped around, so the cluster works. It wrapped around and broke the needle. Yeah, it broke the needle.